Blockbuster dates October 5th, 1999. And here's a table stake of Hurlyburly recycled from Blockbuster. Alice Prawn, May 11th, 1999. Yeah. I'll better watch this one, so. Yep. And this is a Fine Line Features tape. This song right here also stars the late John Crawford, and who directed mostly in Moat Sofa.
Now playing at a motion picture theater near you. Years ago, a battle was fought and an empire was destroyed. Now, the saga will continue. You're expecting someone else? If you see only one movie this summer, see Star Wars. Yeah, baby! But if you see two movies, see Austin Powers.
Starring Sean Penn, Kevin Spacey, Robin Wright, Meg Ryan, and Anna Paquin.
Coming soon from New Line Home Video.
You don't change Chinatown, it changes you.
Two cops in a war with no rules. Italian fat, Mark Wahlberg. The Corruptor, rated R. Since 1962, Adam Weber has been calling his parents' bomb shelter home. But now, he's ready to discover our world.
This is your first visit to La La Land.
My lucky stars, a Negro!
Wait, what? One champagne cocktail. I thought only hookers drank this.
Well, I know Mom sure likes them. Brendan Fraser, Alicia Silverstone.
What have you been doing?
Watching television. Color. Last, rated PG-13. Now available from New Line Home Video.
Richard, I'd like you to meet Jane.
She needed him. Almost as much as he needed her. I think she needs somebody who knows what they do. Academy Award nominee Helena Bonham Carter and Academy Award nominee Kenneth Branagh in a film the critics are calling funny, intelligent, and deeply poignant. The Theory of Life. A Distant Horizon film. Rated R.
All that anger, all that hate, I don't want it anymore.
It's going to give it 2 thumbs up.
Can we talk about Danny? He's headed right where you are.
Edward Norton gives a blistering, brilliant performance.
I am out, and Danny is out too.
Extremely powerful and superbly performed.
I love you, and you're my best friend, but I need you to understand.
American History X, rated R. Will Records presents the soundtrack to Hurlyburly, featuring a bluesy jazz score by Grammy-nominated David Fairwall. Close your eyes and let the music transport you to a dark, smoke-filled supper club as some of the best jazz cats in the business lay down a vibe. And now, our feature presentation.
This is a modified Sergio version. It's performed for your TV. And this is a Hurley New Line Cinema tape, New Line Home Video.